Hello everyone, I'm Caitlin, the head of section here at Golden Gate American School, and I've got a very exciting opportunity to share with you today. Our IB Diploma Programme and Advanced Placement will be having their scholarship exams on May 24th, 2025. This is the perfect opportunity for you to earn a scholarship to study at one of the two most prestigious academic programs in the world. We are offering 2 full scholarships at 100%, 10 scholarships at 50%, and 20 scholarships at 40%. At Golden Gate American School, we are committed to providing a world-class education that prepares our students for success at top universities worldwide. Whether you choose the IB DP or the AP program, you will be gaining critical thinking skills, academic excellence, and global recognition. Why choose the IB DP or AP? Well, there's 3 very good reasons. Number 1, you can earn college credits to get yourself ahead in university. Number 2, you can strengthen your university applications with internationally recognized programs. And number 3, you can develop leadership, research, and analytical skills that'll set you apart from the rest. Mark your calendars for the date, May 24th, 2025, here at Golden Gate American School. Don't miss this opportunity to take steps towards a brighter future. We'll see you at the scholarship exam.